a pedestrian or cyclist, if you're knocked down in an accident, you have very good rights. It's highly likely that a court is going to find that the person driving a vehicle is to blame for the accident. The judges will impose a very high standard on a person driving a vehicle because they are driving what is effectively a weapon. And if that causes injury to a vulnerable road user, a pedestrian or a cyclist, they will have to explain their actions very carefully in court. So if you're a vulnerable road user injured by a vehicle, it's highly likely that you're going to succeed in your case. If the driver in the accident didn't stop, you could still raise a claim, and that claim can be against what we call the Motor Insurers Bureau, and that is an organisation funded by all the insurance companies to compensate victims of uninsured or untraced motorists. So if it's a hit and run, contact us and we can still help. If you weren't wearing a helmet when you came off your bicycle, there can be some difficulties. There can be an argument for what we call contributory negligence. So if the other person is to blame, the car driver for example, is really to blame for the accident, but you have a very bad head injury, it could be argued that you have contributed towards your injury, and there can be a reduction up to 25% in some cases. It is a very live argument at the moment, so our advice to cyclists is don't let the insurers off, wear a helmet. If you need a new bicycle helmet, a new bike or accessories, or if you're a pedestrian and you need new clothes because they've been damaged in the accident, that can all form part of your claim. Any financial loss that flows from the accident can be recovered. If your child was knocked down in the accident, we can still handle that claim. The way that works is we ask a responsible adult, often a parent, to be what we call their litigation friend, to look after their financial and legal interests throughout the case. Remember, of course, that any award or any settlement we achieve on behalf of the child must be approved by the court. So we'll be there from the start all the way through to those court proceedings.